If you're experiencing connection errors in The Sims 4, particularly error 2026, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other devices or applications to see if they can connect to the internet. Step 2. Restart your game. Close The Sims 4 completely and restart it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary connection issues. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Open your game launcher and check for any available updates, then install them. Step 4. Disable firewall/antivirus. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software to see if they are blocking the game's connection. If this resolves the issue, consider adding The Sims 4 to the exceptions list of your security software. Step 5. Repair game files. Use the game launcher to repair The Sims 4. Right-click on the game in your library and select the repair option. This will fix any corrupted files that may be causing connection errors. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection errors in The Sims 4. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.